testimony time.
I don't have the energy to convince people to join my training class. These are the testimonies.
Now let's get started.
Testimonies are ways of capturing everyone's attention.
Not just attention, it cuts a long story short.
All these bags you are seeing here were made by those who took the risk to pay for the online training class. They were not seeing the tutor. They have never for once met me. There are people whom have never visited Nasarawa State. They have never visited Abuja. They have never visited Lagos State. But yet they paid for my online training class.
But some of them the fears I got chop na money.
In fact, people from different countries paid for the class. So the testimonies are exactly what you are saying. I don't have any other language I can use.
I be make I use French and Japanese language.
And in summary, I am too big to eat someone's money, someone's sweat. Take your money to where? Well, I am popular. No, let me not use the word popular. I'm a leader. I'm a mentor. All right, I'm a model at the same time. People send me money, I buy machine for them. I'm just like an ambassador. People send me money, I buy materials for them. I recommend tutors to other people. I recommend contractors, contracts, giving different opportunities. So, for the God I am serving, I choose to serve that God, the creator of the heavens and the earth. And the rules and regulation is that there is no gain. If I choose to become evil to someone while I am laughing or smiling in my room, that is evil, and God do not take delight in such. So I've been teaching online for so long, since 2018. No, 2019. And I joined this leather industry since the year 2009 till date. So calculate from 2009 till today. How many years? As of then, I was just rounding up my secondary school. As of 2009. Bless you guys. You can make your registration to join a training class. My WhatsApp number is right there.